Your breath stinks. What do you do now? What's causing it? Well, most likely it's being caused by bacteria that just in deep grooves of your gums. It's not coming out. So what you got to do? Well, bad news is if it's really bad and always come back after you brush your teeth, brushing, flossing, it's not going to do anything for you. You're going to have to get some professional care. You're going to have to come see a dentist. That way we can do the proper cleaning, which we have like 8 different types of cleanings. I know a lot of people think we only have one type of cleaning, but we really have 8 different types of cleanings, and we decide which one based upon your condition or situation. So if you have bad breath, more than likely it's going to require more than just a healthy mouth type of cleaning. You're going to require something more extensive because we can get all that bacteria out of there to stop that breath from stinking and smelling. It's really simple and it's quite effective. So if you're having that, you just don't have the confidence to talk with people, the confidence to give your loved one a hug, confidence for a job interview, we can fix that for sure. Come see us, all right? Don't let bad breath stop you for achieving what you actually want to achieve in your life, okay? And enjoy life.